What is up, people? And no, this is not my first show, but we're gonna say this is my officially first show that I'm putting on for social media, YouTube, and for everybody to see. Now let's get right to it. What you see right here, guys, is I've got a new drone. This drone, oh my goodness, it is so amazing. As you can see, there's endless possibilities with this drone. But I'm gonna tell you why. Because it's fully autonomous, meaning it'll follow you through all the obstacles. Now it gets in front of you so you can actually see yourself, it can see you, which is a great perspective that you really want to get, angles that you never would have been able to get. And basically, the drone flies by itself. It's a robot in the sky. So what I'm trying to say to you guys is, with this new technology, we should be able to get out and do so much, get so creative. So I'm not here to sell you a drone. But people always ask me, say, what is it that you do, man? What is it that you do? I say, well, man, I try to bring this technology to our community so we can actually figure out what we can do. See, that's what it's about. See, we only are who we are based on some experience of yesterday. So it's up to us to get out here and create new experiences if we really want something better. So this drone right here, I'm going to get into some more videos about it later. And I really hope you subscribe and watch my channel because I'm really trying to do my thing. People, you just don't know. There's so much more that meets the eye. When I get out here, I know you see me on hashtag Robot284. That's Mr. Lumo, Little Mo himself. And I fly these drones. I test out these robots. I connect with people. And that's really what it's about. It's not about just selling somebody a product. It's about building a relationship out here. And it's my handshake when I deal with this technology. It allows me to get close to people and talk to them about so much and understand about so much. So there's so many bright people out here that are just willing to show you so much that's just very inspirational. Let me get my words right. And if we don't get out here and make it happen, well, then we're gonna keep having a lot of issues out here in this world. So my decision was to get out here and crusade with this technology and show you guys some things that we've never seen before. Not only just the technology and gadgets, but branding. I always say if George Foreman can get a grill, then why can't you, man? And so if we start to develop these I wanna call them solutions, then these resources will help us to engage in new ways that we can do business, that we can treat our families, that we can just ultimately live this life in a whole better way. So I just wanted to encourage you just a minute. And as I'm rolling with this fully autonomous drone and checking out some cool shots of the park, then I get a chance to actually encourage you guys. And if you're listening to the music and stuff like that in the background, well, then now just relax and understand that we're here. It's 2020. And if you're not ready for this technology, well, I don't know what to tell you because we're going to go there. It's just inevitable. So with that being said, you guys stay encouraged. Keep pushing. I hope we are going to be able to connect again. And if not, just know that it's up to us, you guys, and just understand that I'm here. I've got you back one step at a time. And if you're checking out the last song on here, yeah, that is me. I sing too as well, but that's for another video. Anyway, you guys stay motivated, stay pushing, and just keep on pushing.
Take that load, front center for my bros. Oh,
just don't understand, yeah. I walk a little harder, yeah, yeah, yeah. Seems like I never started, Gotta do what I'm seeing, yeah. Can't believe what I'm seeing, gotta know what's needed. So it seems that they're looking for somebody out there that's real. I can see what I'm seeing in this picture is painted, it's real, so I roll down the hill.
How you doing?
Good.